Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Pen Kibi Akrong Chingsai along Switzerland Pen Alohi ng Chatongdun. Lok Sabha Kilik Katibok Langdam Pen BJP Karbi Anglong District Committee Pen Mai Kangni. KSA Pen Choki Hula Chunteron Sanglang Aklamalong KSA Mai PKB. Kardom, Karbi Prime Time along Penili Virban Kropi, non-beer tang ton pen Arjekta. Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti, Pen Setterlin Karcho, Catalan along Pachatonsi, Kibi Krungching Saya Mailong, Switzerland Pentaluhin and Chitongdun. Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Pen, Song Setterlin Karcho, Kipajut Arongoja along Pachatonsi, Theripo Sir Kep Arni, Difu Mithangasa Hemalong Isi Krungching Sai Pado. Assam University Difu Campus Athan Bang Dr. Ibn Sa Chanu, Chiphem Pupen Kibada Krungching Sai along, Non Malom Aham Pangalong Suar Lokaching Thura Puthak Kibi, Akrung Sai alam Thi Assam University Difu Campus Athan Bang Dr. Kusumbor Borwa, Renu Terangpi Memorial College Principal Dr. Ajanta Chutia, Advocate Lalita Rengma, Atub Sikachatong Arat Panthan Pachini, Switzerland Pen Krungching Sai along, Nangkachatong Dun Dr. Mario Curatolo, Penta Suarlo, Atum Akeng Arkong along, Kachar Jabji, Apan Kor Pangnisi, Korahem Puma Nangji, Langsi Suarlo Atum, Dihina Jakong Tepo Busalang Liningje, Krungching Sai along Penaan, Sang Pimartum Chatong Dun.
সমাজৰ লগত মিলা কৰি লবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছো মই সেইখিনি কথাহে আৰম্ভ কৰিব খুজিছো মই এতিয়াও এটা বেলেগ কৰি দিছে গতিকে
self-employed you're faced with and turn them into the type of business that you would like.
Lok Sabha Kilik Arnikatebok Langdam Pen BJP Karbi Anglong District Committee Atum Theripo Sir Kep Arni Difula Pen West Karbi Anglong along Kilik Kapathak Mai Padupusi Katni Salong Birtana Pale. Lok Sabha Kilik Arnikatebok Langdam Si BJP Karbi Anglong District Committee Pen Theripo Sir Kep Arni Difu Farmers Growth Center Lapen West Karbi Anglong Tumpreng along Songkang Dangamai Padusi Kilik Kachapahai Jai BD Chithan Chimum Pontu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tudiram Ronghang Lapen Arya Sang Hotum Kangdang Amailong Chetongdun Si Lok Sabha Kilik Apan Chisik Chedangdang Bobosi Songkle Mangangbong Chepari Kangdang Amailong Bitung Reng Thama Constituency Penaan BJP Songjatum Chetongdun
Adi Bharatiya Janata Party Sarkar aha pisa Unor Karbi Anglong Jila Pariষদ Team Karbi Anglong or Digital Loa pisa Meniji Karbi Anglong Si Bumuata Dongniti Logote Harcheli Khanaja Highest Unor Lower Kamasuni Paise
That to 100%. Jiki Hoi Karbi Anglong is Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong Dimasa.
Namalam Sopor Pan Birdamo Intermonic Sina.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station. In the beginning, we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that, the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT, and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now, how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now, the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit, which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it, simultaneously, we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds. And simultaneously, there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically, what the VVPAT does is, it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number, and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust, and integrity machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU, and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework, and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief, and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya cusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalong Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalangma, konato lake.
Difoi ti arlo aron bridge adu rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalangma.
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponik ti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long poning ji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rong Perpi, Rong Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadari pinpin ang humrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la pentesri alang hiti kulat along long pon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, teso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, telua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji.
Dihina mo pipu tadbir talong bang tulo. Plikebra trawang dan KSA MIP choki hula chunteron sanglang klamalong si padu pusikat ni salong pirta nang pali. Longle kacharai kom henlo pilong ri kaching hon. Toklang henlo khai kaching thur arisim polam thepen KSA pen choki hula chunteron sanglang klamalong therepo choksi arni pen therepo sirkep arnian KSA MIP padusi Karbiang long atlong atok anwahin ansusi kapaching thur japan kaching waya klong palidam.
Labang so conference nong itu kapre Karbiang mong phan problem tu pusat kedung itu resolution itu dah adopt lo labang ke Karbiang mong problem itu non kedubom itu statehood issue agency itu tinggal polo lah so statehood issue bangke article 244A arlu state itu kipang tang so moment long the prime kipang tang ko iman itu dah itu so conference nong tinggal polo pado lo labela deadben ladak itu isu semua Karbiang mong isu semua statehood isu tu pasti kena lep tum sami non government pen itu show mediator talks doi pulang tu lah sasu talks pun itu isi perserat group isapen perserat individu pasti itu dak cingwai pun lo lapen Karbiang lo isu non hejong si citizenship amendment bill government of India monte state government tu dak itu jakong ben itu alang tum dak na implementation along alang tum claim pun tu tante la solo along sama itu dak sempat doi itu dak cingwai pun tu lapen ke ladak itu Karbiang lo atok anu problems dak nilibarat astame dak kapre toar pen jelo dak itu forest keting pen itu dak tribal atau cilong le haso alam mukha astame asai mukha astame dak cingwai pun patu ko
Karbiang long Autonomous Council pen patirpi ponsi Land and Revenue Forest Police le pen CRPF atum pen langkai jana long theripunir kepani pale dam pen aron ri pen Karbiang long halong le nang ki pet atuma phan ki tharle dam thua biota perang ki pen card news sa hemalong biota nang pale
Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang Kapingkhan ateng pen Karbiang Autonomous Council Deputy Secretary Michael Timung Land and Revenue Officer Turun Ingti Pulini Circle Dihu Revenue Circle Officer ADC Norsing Bay SP Gorab Upadaya Lapen DSP Atum Chirabdun Si Langkaijan Ambaria Long Longle Katharlia Sai Kedengji Apan Palidamlo Bon Seteme Hadak ke द्वारा तुम पेन तो वार करंग खा चेक पेन अलग लितुम खोजे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लापेन Karbiang एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अतुम आंगबों ahoy selam pame metik ke Ambaria Long Katharlia Sai denglong le pusik ke hang padu
ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা আমি এইখন জেগা পিছপলি ৰখি আছোঁ যাতে আমাৰ সদায় সমাজত ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভ আহে আৰু যোনবোৰ কথা হিমালয় যাতে আলোচনা কৰিব পৰা যায় হঠাতে ঠিক সিহঁতে আহি পাওঁতে হঠাতে কোনোবা পাব্লিক ফালৰ পৰা না কোনোবাৰ পৰা উচতাই দিছে গতিকে সেই সময়ত অলপমান সময়ৰ কাৰণে অলপমান অশৃংখল নিচিনা তেতিয়া সেই ঘটনাটো ঘটিল কিন্তু আমি বোলে চব খেদক বোলে তেনেকৈতো আমি এবাৰ নিৰ্দেশটো দিয়া নাই খালি সেই সময়ত যেতিয়া সজাই প্ৰশাসন আহি আছিলে সেই ৰাস্তা ক্লিয়াৰ কৰোঁতে সেইখিনি ফালৰ পৰাও কিছুমান আমি দেখি পাইছিলোঁ CPMF ফ'ৰ্চ আহিছিলে সিহঁতে আৰু সেই ৰাস্তাটো ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি আহিছে যিহেতু ৰাস্তাও বন্ধ কৰি থৈ দিছে যাতে আমাৰ বিষয়া সজাই পৰা বিষয়া আমালৈ আহিব পাৰে সেইকাৰণে ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সিহঁতে অলপমান এইফালে যাবৰ কাৰণে কৈছিলে আৰু সেই ঘটনাটো হঠাতে হৈছে সেইখনটো আৰু কিবা এটা বোলে কথা
এতিয়া মানে আলোচনা এটা হৈছে
আমাৰ ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি যেহেতু আমাৰ ৰেভিনিউ লেণ্ড হয় গতিকে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি আৰু আমাৰ সজাইৰ ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি দুটা পাৰ্টিয়ে সিহঁতে কথা পাতিছে আৰু সেই কথাটো সিহঁতে আলোচনা কৰিছে আৰু সিহঁতৰ ভিতৰত সিহঁতে কিছুমান সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছে তেতিয়া সেই সিদ্ধান্তৰ মৰ্মে সিহঁতে দুটা এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন ষ্টেপছটো ল'ব
Laperhala Puhoja District Administration Pen Karbi Anglong Administrative Atum Kangtum Dun Akhut Hadak Kedwara Tum Towar Kapit Sesak Dun Ajok Police CRPF Atum Aning Ke Pumpen Aron Repen Kedo Towar Karangkha Atum Aphan Kiplung Pado Lasopi Administration Atum Ang Bong Kacim Kita Kacetonte Et Ajok Ambaria Long Abangke Tharli Long Deblo Sitame Lapu Langkajan Civil Bazar along Abangke Tharli Pondo Bon Sitame Apol Kadure Ajok Civil Bazar along ta Katharli Patanglong Le Bon Sitame Apol Kadure Ajok Civil Bazar along ta Katharli Patang Long Pami Medeblo
Birta Bangkila Pans Kangton Maniklo Tumit Thakme Kormatu